Hi, I'm Ron Achenbach, here with parenting rule number 4. And parenting rule number 4 is love your child, correct their actions. Right? Kids are boundary seekers, and we've kind of talked about this a little bit before. They're just, where can I go? What can I do? Where can I go? What can I do? Your job is to create that structured environment. But doing that, it takes a little finesse. And because if we do it poorly, we set our child up for failure for years down the road. So the first part is correct the action, not the child. If your child does something they're not supposed to, let them know that action was wrong. There's a big difference. Or if your child lies, kids throughout the ages as they get older, they do it. And it's again a way of testing boundaries. What can I do? What can I get away with? But there's a big difference between saying you're a liar and you lied. Telling a child that they lied and having that conversation with them years down the road, it's like, oh yeah, I remember that time I lied and this was the outcome. As opposed to you calling that child, hey, you're a liar. Well, guess what? They grew up replaying that over and over. I'm a liar. Mom and dad say I'm a liar. I must be a liar, so I got to make sure I keep lying so that I do what mom and dad say and what they think of me. I know it seems simple, but it is extremely powerful. So really be aware of how do you talk to your children. Correct those actions. The other part of correcting the actions, again, and I say that action, when I'm working with the boys, that action is not acceptable. And that's the terms I use oftentimes. But the other part of it is also you want to kind of set them up for recognizing it outside themselves. Kids love stories. Kids love examples. So one of the things that I say, especially with Aiden, is losers make lousy choices. Winners make wise choices. And I'll point out people's like, they made a lousy choice. Their life's not going to go very well. That person made a wise choice. Their life is going to go well. And then along those same lines, every time I catch either one of the boys making wise choices, I'll say that, wise choice. They know the reference. And as you should know as a parent, rewarded behavior repeats. So just really every time you see them making a wise choice, let them know that they're making a wise choice. And lo and behold, they'll make more of them. In karate, the way that we go through the cycle is our common theme, thinking like a black belt. One of our big parts of our formula is accountability. And so when kids doing something in class that's not the way it's supposed to be done, hey, you're thinking like a black belt? Every now and then, take a knee. You're not thinking like a black belt. And they know that's the action oriented, hold that higher standard. So again, for you, think about correct the action. Do not discipline the child. Discipline the behavior. Love your child. Correct the action. Love your child. Correct the action. Love your child. Correct the action. Get that straight. It's really important. I want to thank you for watching and being a thoughtful, caring parent.